that you guys can search WhatsApps, including a view once and deleted WhatsApps and all of that. Do you have an equipment like that as subs, or have you outsourced that responsibility to a private company? And if it's a private company, whose company is that? And how was that tender awarded?
Honorable Chair,
because we don't want to be searched here WhatsApps by Matala. Yeah? You give Matala's tenders there. Only to find this the WhatsApp thing is in the wrong hands. So we need to know if it's private, who. But if you've got equipment, that's enough.
Thanks, Honorable Chair. The question is quite sensitive to answer this one, but we don't use service providers. But
so meaning it's internal.
I don't want to confirm that we can do that.
No, General Mkhwana came and told us. He said it himself. It's not like we're bringing a rumor or anything. He was sitting there. He told us that they search WhatsApps. They take your phone and search WhatsApps, and they've got it. Even if you delete, they will still find a way of using whatever equipment. So it's not a rumor. He came here and told us that. So I wanted you, as a top cop, to confirm if indeed that is correct.
Thanks, Honorable Chair. I'll have to go back and check with my division, crime intelligence.
Now,